What are you doing, Doug?
We're getting through polishing her. We shot.
Well, she's a he.
Huh?
She's a he.
She's a he.
That's a he. That's a
That's a
man.
he.
That's
Okay.
a man car.
Okay.
That's a male.
A male.
At least that's what
All right.
I think he's a male. So
I
what are you
agree with
doing and why are you doing it?
Because it didn't get through polish.
Well, but what do you polish it with? I mean, that's when why do you choose what you choose.
Okay. That's what we're doing here. All right, cool.
Here,
We polished it
get
with
here where I can
McGuire's.
see the car too.
We polished it with McGuire.
McGuire's.
McGuire.
Why?
Because that's what I like to use after 30
Why so?
years of polishing. They have the most complete line of chemicals from a compound right up through polishes, right up through glazes, and right into waxes. They've got
Oh, so you stick with the same thing all the way through.
the chemistry. The chemistry is
Oh.
the issue, people. The chemistry is the issue.
Let me ask you something. Why is that? Is paint alive?
Paint is porous,
Paint is porous.
and it is alive. And if you put on anything on it, you don't want to use anything with silicone.
Okay.
Everything McGuire's makes, I learned this from working in body paint shops, you can paint right back over it. If John goes and messes up that fender,
What are the chances of that?
What are the
well,
chances
we
of
don't
that?
know. Then we can fix it. Now, I may
And
have
it'll
worked
match.
all night long, huh?
And it'll match.
If we use the correct paint, yes. it'll
Okay.
match.
All right, so cool. So paint
Yeah.
is, so you like McGuire's and you use it all the way through.
I use Mothers on wheels and tires.
Okay.
I like their metal polish better. Now that's paint, so with a little bit of clear in it.
Okay.
So that's a little bit of a different animal.
All right.
Be careful about anything with silicone in it and anything that dries hard. I'm not going to mention
Okay,
names of
hey, where can
products,
people
but
go if
yeah.
they want to learn more about how to polish their cars?
Sure, they're going to be going to the YouTube video that's just gotten started out with Doug and Georgia Mills Polishing
Doug and Georgia Mills Polishing,
Polishing.
on YouTube. That's your
on
channel?
YouTube, and we're very proud to make our debut at John Snyder Studios. John's
With
down
this
here.
car.
John is down here filming a tribute to Smokey and the Bandit and Burt Reynolds called Stand On It. Stay tuned.
All right.
Stay tuned.
I guess you're going back to work. He's still polishing, folks.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you later. Doug and Georgia Mills on YouTube. Polishing.
Debuting it.
Doug and Georgia Mills Polishing.
Yeah,
All right, I'll put a
debuting
link in
at
here.
John Snyder Studios.
Cool. Love it.
Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye.